Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all students? Today this is the 15th lecture of grade first year. The chapter name is Electrochemistry and the topic name is Oxidation and Reduction Reactions, Oxidizing and Reducing Agents. First of all, oxidation reduction reactions, it is also called as redox reactions. What are the redox reactions? A redox reaction is one in which oxidation and reduction both takes place at a time is called as redox reaction. So it is a reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. You are well known that what is oxidation and what is reduction. Oxidation is basically the loss of electron and an increase in the oxidation number, while reduction is the gain of electron and decrease in oxidation number. So the transfer leads to oxidation and reduction. Oxidation is increase in oxidation number, while reduction is the decrease in oxidation number. Oxidation is loss of electrons and gain of oxygen. Reduction is the gain of electron and loss of oxygen. So the line goes gar. Leo is for loss of electron is oxidation while gain of electron is reduction. So a reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place at a time or simultaneously, it means that the reaction is redox reaction. Here are some examples of redox reactions. Copper oxide, when react with hydrogen, it forms copper and water. So in this case, the copper oxide is reduced and hydrogen is oxidized into water. Copper oxide decreases the oxidation number up to 0. It means that oxidation number is decreased, and there is gain of electron, so it is reduction. While in case of hydrogen, there is a loss of electron and increase in the oxidation number, so it is oxidation. Likewise, hydrogen sulfide, when reacts with chlorine, it forms sulfur and hydrochloric acid. So the hydrogen sulfide get oxidized to sulfide only. Now sulfide is in the free state and will be in oxidation number 0. While chlorine is reduced to hydrochloric acid and it is reduced. How it is reduced? Because due to addition of hydrogen. As we know that reduction is the removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen. So from chlorine to hydrochloric acid, hydrogen is added. So addition of hydrogen is reduction. Likewise, the first one example, when hydrogen changes to water, it means that there is addition of addition of oxygen, and addition of oxygen is basically oxidation and removal of hydrogen is oxidation. Likewise, some other examples are zinc react with hydrogen ion to form zinc ions plus hydrogen. In this case, zinc is oxidized to zinc ions, means from oxidation number increases from 0 to +2. It means that +2 means there is a loss of 2 electrons and zinc is oxidized. Oxidation number is increasing. In the second case, hydrogen ion, that is proton, is reduced. The oxidation number decrease from +1 to 0. That is hydrogen ion or proton converting to H2. H2 is present in the free state now and its oxidation number is 0. So the oxidation number is getting decreased. So a decrease in oxidation number is called as reduction. In the other example, aluminium reacts with the copper ions to form aluminium ions plus copper. So from aluminium to aluminium ions, aluminium is oxidized at it loses 3 electrons. So from 0 to +3, oxidation number is increased. So aluminium is oxidized, while on the other hand, the copper +2 is changing to copper 0. So it means that the oxidation number is reduced or decreased from +2 to 0. So copper is reduced. Oxidizing and reducing agents, you have studied in the previous classes that what are oxidizing agents and what are the reducing agents. So oxidizing agents are the ones which oxidize other substances and itself get reduced. These are also called as oxidants, and the oxidation number is decreased. In oxidation, the oxidation number increases, while in oxidizing agent, the oxidation number decreases. For example, the oxidation number of chlorine in the above reaction that we have discussed above, the chlorine oxidation number decreases from 0 to -1. Therefore, chlorine is an oxidizing agent. Yesterday you have studied that halogens have the oxidation number equal to -1. So oxidation number of chlorine changes from 0 to -1. It means that it is decreasing. So it is an oxidizing agent. So chlorine itself will get reduced. It will oxidize other substances. In this example, you can see that chlorine is reducing. It means that by the addition of hydrogen, the chlorine is getting reduced. The oxidation number is decreased. So by defining oxidizing agent, chlorine is an oxidizing agent. It will oxidize other but itself get reduced due to addition of hydrogen and decrease in the oxidation number. Now what are the reducing agents? Reducing agents are the substances which reduces others but itself get oxidized. So the oxidation number will be increased in case of reducing agent. In case of reduction, the oxidation number decreases, while in case of reducing agent, the oxidation number increased. For example, the oxidation number of sodium is increased from 0 to +1. As you know that sodium or ionic substances have the oxidation number equal to +1. So sodium oxidation number changes from 0 to +1. So it means that there is loss of electron and increase in the oxidation number. So it is a reducing agent. It itself will get oxidized but reduced other substances. Here are some examples of oxidation and reduction. Zinc oxide reacts with carbon to form zinc and carbon monoxide. Zinc oxide, when converted to zinc, it means that there is loss of oxygen. And when there is removal of oxygen, it means that the process is reduction. The other example is carbon converting to carbon monoxide. It means that in carbon oxygen is added. So addition of oxygen is oxidation. So with carbon monoxide is formed. It means that there is addition of oxygen and addition of oxygen is oxidation. So oxidation and reduction examples are here. The reaction in which both oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously, it means that the reaction is a redox reaction. Here the substance oxidized is carbon. Carbon oxidized to carbon monoxide by the addition of oxygen. The substance which is reduced is zinc oxide. So from zinc oxide, oxygen is removed and zinc is present in the free state with zero oxidations. Oxidizing agent is zinc oxide, which oxidize other and itself get reduced. So zinc oxide itself is getting reduced to zinc, but zinc oxide will oxidize other substance. Reducing agent is carbon. Reducing agent is one which reduce other itself get oxidized. So carbon itself is oxidized, but carbon will reduce other substances. So this is the difference between oxidation reduction and oxidizing and reducing agents. There is a change in oxidation number. In oxidation, the oxidation number will increase or oxidation state is increased, while in oxidizing agent, the oxidation number will decrease. Similarly, in reduction, the oxidation number is decreased, while in reducing agent, the oxidation number is increased. So this is the main difference. Tomorrow we will study the balancing redox equations by oxidation number method. This is all for today. Thank you so much.